now we are still in the kids section. First we saw two kids speaking about whether they like their mothers to work or to be at home. But now we are going to see a conversation between a child and a father, and a conversation between a child and a teacher. Okay. Now let's see. Now a child is returning back from school, and he has been given some homework, and the father calls the child and asks how the day was at school, and immediately the child says that he has been given homework by the teacher, and that too to find the meaning of a word using a dictionary. And let's see what the conversation is between the father and child, shall we? Okay, so this is uh, between father and between child and father. Okay, now the father hi there Somu, how was school today? Okay, father is asking the son, how was school today? See, parents should ask the children every day how the classes were and all that. Only then they will also come and talk to them. And immediately Somu says, hello dad. My school. My school in the sense he's talking about the classes. Father. Anything special? Anything special happened today? And Somu says, Dad, I want to know the meaning of truant. Father. Well, I can easily give you the meaning but you should inculcate. Inculcate means develop the habit of referring a dictionary. So, instead of giving the meaning, the dad says, I can easily give you the meaning, but you have to, you have to inculcate the habit of referring to a dictionary. And Somu asks, what is the use of a dictionary? I can easily get the meaning from you. Dad says, a dictionary not only gives a meaning, what else does it give? It gives a correct spelling, it gives a pronunciation, correct pronunciation of the word, and then it gives the parts of which part of speech it is, and also sometimes usage of a word. So that's what the father says. A dictionary not only gives a meaning, but you can learn the correct way to pronounce a word, or just say correct pronunciation the part of speech correct usage and so on. That is, certain dictionaries will have extra details about a word. Okay, and Somu is quite amazed. I didn't know that a dictionary can give us so much details. Her father gives him an advice. So my dear boy, read a lot of books Underline the difficult words. Difficult words and find out the meaning and usage. Usage means how it can be used otherwise, apart from what is given in the book, any other way how to use it. Usage of that particular word. That will increase your vocabulary. And Somu, thank you, Dad. I shall refer to a dictionary hereafter. When I have a doubt. Okay. So, this is a conversation between a father and a child, and the child wanted a meaning. What does truant mean? Truant means a child who's always abstaining from class, that is cutting classes and going away somewhere or not going to school at all. Such children are called truants. Okay. Okay, he wanted to know the meaning of truant, and so the father could have easily given the meaning, but then children will become lazy. Nowadays, for children to for them to have this habit of reading and finding out the meanings and all, it's slowly dying because they are always on internet. They don't have the habit of reading a book. They think they can use a Kindle. They can look into the net for words or mean stories. Of course, you can even look for meanings in the net, but then a dictionary is something where you have everything in it. See what all things are there. They have the meaning, they have the usage, pronunciation, part of speech, everything is there. So, always referring to a dictionary is good. It improves a child's vocabulary. That's what the father has advised and the child has promised to follow. Okay, shall we go through this dialogue now? This is a conversation between a father and child. A child who's returning, after returning from school, the father is seated there at the easy chair and he calls the son and asks, "Father, hi there Somu, how was school today?" And Somu says, "Hello Dad, my school was really good today." Next the father says, "Anything special happened today?" Then Somu says, "Dad, I want to know the meaning of the word, meaning of truant." Meaning of truant means meaning of the word truant. That's what it means. Father, "Well, I can easily give you the meaning, but you have to inculcate." Inculcate means to develop. Inculcate the habit of referring to a dictionary. And Somu says, what is the use of a dictionary? I can easily get the meaning from you. See, children find it very easy. Dad, mom, what's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of that? And they'll write it down. So they are also becoming lazy. So father says a dictionary not only gives the meaning, but you can learn the correct pronunciation of a word, the part of speech, the correct usage and so on. So many dictionaries give more details also. Okay, so he goes on. Somu is just amazed. Wow, I didn't know that a dictionary can give us so much details. And father says, so my dear boy, read a lot of books, underline the difficult words and find out the meaning and usage of that particular word. That will increase your vocabulary, or that will help you to increase your vocabulary. And Somu immediately says, thank you, Dad. I shall refer to a dictionary hereafter when I have a doubt. And he goes away.